Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So uploading images to OpenArt is the first step to editing, generating variations, face swapping or creating videos. It's simple, but using it correctly unlocks powerful features. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to upload images to OpenArt in 2026. So first thing, prepare your image. So before uploading, use high resolution, clear subject, good lighting. Like you have to support the format like JPG, PNG. Avoid blurry images, heavy filters. Okay, so because clean inputs means better results. Okay, so open OpenArt upload area, like open OpenArt, choose where you want to use the image, like generator, image generator, image editor, video generator if supported. Okay, so depends on your goal. So upload your image. Okay, so you can upload the image that you want to edit. Okay, and wait for it to load from here. Okay, so upload the image or drag and drop. Now it's ready to use. So use image as reference, like choose how to use it. Reference image like style, character, base image to edit, inputs for video. So this step controls results. So adjust settings, like if available, image like image strength, style, influence, balance. For example, we have low and high. Like low means more creativity, high means closer to original. Okay, so control the output and add the prompt, like for example like this. Okay, you can type it here, like same person, cinematic lighting, realistic style, hide details. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.